one nice little board. He's working. Just seems a bit slow. I could just cut some blocks, manageable sort of size that I can just bring the farmer's mill down with me and set it all up on that. It's easier, a bit easier and quicker. But this is just if you can't get to somewhere where you can put the farmer's mill, but I can usually on most sites. But it's definitely easier once the batter on the bar's maxed out. Just use this system. I think just to cut the outsides of the log off down to whip so I can get the panther mill with a 42-inch bar on. Mill some more slabs that way. But it does work. The board seems quite even. It's full of woodworm. But there you go, go in the steam. Be steamed in the kiln. 30, 30, 30, 30, yeah. It's cut nice and even. So, can't moan I suppose. But still better than firewood.